Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, follow the Telegram channel if you've not done that, and I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our GBPJPY. So once again, if you have not yet subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now let's start with our trend on GBPJPY. We would want to know what our full overall trend is and what our current trend is in order to be able to predict what GBPJPY will be doing for us this week. Now let's see it. This is our full overall trend. You can see the market has been rallying up. So you can clearly see, we all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either we are trending downward, we are trending upward, or we are ranging. So clearly this is an uptrend move. This is trending upward. Market is definitely giving us a trending movement to the upside, right? Now we want to see what market is doing currently. On the current movement, market is giving us a little bit of a different movement. This year is actually the main movement, the main trend, which is an uptrend move. Now to predict this recent movement, we need to zoom it in and we can clearly see it here. These are recent movements, which is more visible on the forward time frame. So it looks like something like this. This is the drop low. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high. Now we should be expecting another lower low on GBPJPY. But there are two levels where that lower low will likely play out from. There are two possible levels, two possible scenarios that drop will play out for. All we just need is just our sell setup. It's either we start getting this our sell setup from here, the current level where we are now. This is our current level on GBPJPY. We will likely start getting a drop from this our current level. Or GBPJPY might give us some more movements. A bullish move to it's come to tap this our resistance level here. You can see that this was a previous resistance level. This was there were multiple rejection around this level. So GBPJPY is likely to push up to tap it, or it gives us another drop. So these are the two possible scenarios where the drop will likely play out. Either we get the drop here, or we see it push up to tap this at the resistance level and for itself. So I'll be giving you guys more updates, back-to-back updates, and for more movements. I'll be giving you guys more updates on it. So you need to subscribe if you've not done that. Follow the Telegram. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.